Want to get your hands on premium marketing advice for just 33p a day? Showing you the ropes of building a highly profitable business. Hi there, Simon Newcombe here. Yes, that's me to the right. Great to meet you and a very big welcome. Let's start with the problems. As you are here right now, I feel your struggle and know why you are here. You may have been online for some time looking at and trying this internet marketing affiliate marketing thing. You might even be a beginner at it, but you are here looking for the secrets. Listen, let me tell you, there are no secrets to marketing, no quick rich systems ever. Plain and simple, it's work, it's time and lots of effort along with a lot of patience. You will want to give up, you will make mistakes, but there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. You just got to find yours, and that's why I am here to help you out. So this is also why I put this little video together for you. Introducing MarketStorm monthly magazine and membership. I want to give you access today to these wonderful monthly magazines and membership. These magazines have everything, no fluff, no hype, just stuff that really works. Simple, quick, profitable. Simply put, I focus my time searching for and implementing shortcuts that allow me to work with the minimum amount of time for the maximum amount of profit. But nothing happens overnight. You must always remember this. In fact, it took much longer than it should have. Yes, I made plenty of mistakes. And I've got to tell you, I worked way too hard. I was working 40 to 50 hour weeks trying to crack the code. I struggled, I got fed up. Many times I wanted to give up. I knew there had to be an easier way. I studied a lot. I read everything I could get my hands on. Sure you can relate, right? Finally, I cracked the code and want to reel it all to you in the MarketStorm magazines. So here's my personal invitation to you. Join me and get behind the scenes of a successful online business in MarketStorm. Each month you'll get my insights on what I've been doing in my online business and what you can do to adapt the same strategies and results to your own business. It's that simple. So what's it going to cost you? First, let me tell you what you're getting on the inside. 12 issues of the MarketStorm monthly magazine. You'll receive one issue every month for the next 12 months. I do it this way so you don't get overwhelmed in all the marketing information and knowledge, and you get to take action before the next issue comes. Bonus 1, simple eBay dropshipping video course and ebook guide. Value of $124. This course is a simple method of selling products on eBay that others are already selling. Bonus 2, viral money factories video course and ebook guide. Value of $174. This course is 6 small step-by-step things for you to follow. It's really that simple. Bonus 3, MarketStorm VIP exclusive members only Facebook group. Value of $500 per month. In here you'll get help and support from me and others needed to help you grow. All the tips and tricks I use for myself. Bonus 4, our weekly Across the Pond live podcast. We do have lots of laughs in these. Now I could easily charge $9.97 for all of this, but that's just not me. It's a lot of dosh, right? I want to make this affordable and reachable for most people. So I'll be happy to do this at a price that basically covers my costs. Option A, getting instant access for just $9.95 per month. Option B, I haven't got one. Just option A. Act now, get instant access and log in for just $9.95 per month. I'll see you inside. Simon.